and I open the walkthrough of this one. So if I click on this, then I come on this, it's going to show me the path. This is the path of the walkthrough that we're using. So let me click edit. So this is the path that we will use to see the plumbing sections. I just want to see the plumbing in walkway to walkthrough 2. So initially it's just architectural like this. So if I start the walkthrough from frame 1 up to frame 600, so let me just show you a brief example on how it looks. So this is the way it looks. So I've activated the far clip, that's why you can see all the way, just see a section. Yeah, so this is just the wall, the main gate, the road. This is a bell mouth over here. We have plumbing sections which are underground, but you cannot see them as of now because I've not activated. These are the manholes there, like that one. And then we have water sections here, plumbing sections. The same for this side. Yeah, so let me just show you. So escape, yes. Then I go back to my first frame. I change the display into plumbing, so I'll just see the plumbing section, the fittings. So let's now see the difference. So if I'm working on just water and I want to see which place water is passing and the changes that should be made, I can just activate the plumbing discipline on my commands. Then I can just work on anything that I want to do pertaining water. So this is very helpful. So this is the power of BIM, yeah, the building information modeling, where every single aspect is different. Like for example, over here you can see even fittings. Like we include even fittings in this information, the way the curves. It's not just drawing lines. It has also an effect of the 3D component of the z-axis, yeah. And then you can see the manholes over here. But as of now, manholes are part of the structural part, but I'm not interested in the structural. I'm just interested with the pipe fittings and the main pipes. Yeah, so that's the way it looks.